In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a description to a file on computer, saw or web browser. If you've ever struggled to remember what a file contains just by its name, adding a description in Google Drive can save you time. A description is a short note attached to a file that helps you and your collaborators understand what's inside without opening it. Here's how to add one quickly and clearly using a web browser on your computer. Start by opening your browser and heading to drive.google.com. You'll see your files and folders laid out as usual. Find the file you want to annotate. Click it once to select it. Make sure it's highlighted. A single click is important here. Double-clicking opens the file instead of selecting it, and we want the file selected so the toolbar options appear. Look toward the top right of the Drive toolbar for the View Details button. It's the small circle with a lowercase I inside. Click that and a panel will slide out on the right side of your screen. At the top of this panel, you'll see two tabs, Details and Activity. Make sure the Details tab is selected so you can view the file's information rather than its recent changes. Now scroll down within that Details pane until you reach the Description section. It's near the bottom. If the pane looks crowded, keep scrolling. Sometimes it's just a bit further down than you expect. Next to the description label, you'll see a pencil icon. Click that to start editing. Type in your notes or a clear summary of what the file contains. Aim for concise but specific information. Think key topics, dates, version notes, or a quick reminder about how the file should be used. This can help your future self and anyone else with access understand the context at a glance. When you're done typing, press Enter or simply click anywhere outside the description box to save. Google Drive saves this immediately, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. If you ever want to change it later, just return to the same place, click the pencil icon again, and update your text. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Descriptions are a great way to make files more discoverable, and clear wording can make search results more helpful. Keep your descriptions consistent across your files, and you'll build a system that's easy to scan and maintain. That's it. You've added a useful, searchable note to your file without opening it. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.